He's kind of lost a bit of interest, or lost interest. He's like, oh, she belongs to your foot now. She belongs to the feet. See, this has basically stopped me watching things on my computer just to watch them instead, because... Oh, there we go, there we go. Oh, God. Now Kev goes and lands on my foot. What a crazy guy, look at him. He was like, oh, I don't see what the big fuss was about. There you go, have some seed instead. Yum, 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 yum. Yummy, 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 yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. Where's that noise come from? I think I'll stop the video here. And that was Keeley's Feet Adventures.